the only one living, and still you burn your sight. To see, so fierce, so free, such a mystery. Keep going your way, don't ever change, baby. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the after hour. Cactus flower, you're my cactus flower.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the chateau and another day of getting stuff done. It's looking better in this corner, isn't it? Hang on. That truly is. Obviously I did all of the trimming and cutting back the other day, and I will have to move on to that one in a minute, but the base of that is further down, so I might do that from the boat and get the base and be able to kill it. But look at this. Look at all the sunlight coming in. It's quite late in the day now because I had things to do. Look at how much is actually cut down. You know, that's a fair amount. The froggies are back. Yeah. One of the upsides, should I say, to the pondweed is all the froggies that live in it and jump around. Oh, they've gone quiet now, they're shy. No, they'll come again. Okay, easily distracted by the frogs. As I was saying, loads of this, and the job is not complete. I mean, this corner isn't complete in the slightest, but this particular part of the job isn't complete until this lot is cut up and loaded up in the trailer, ready to go.
I see your petals, I see your wildflower side. I wanna see you dancing in that light. I wanna hold you, I wanna pull you close, keep you warm in the winter when you're out on your own. Such a reckless heart, beauty wrapped in dangerous arms, but I want every part. All the thorns and the scars make you who you are. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color.
All right. Look at that. That's a full trailer. Don't worry, I'll chop ends off and yeah, I'll do some end chopping and some bits and pieces. So that full trailer, I'll strap that down properly after I chop the ends off, get some bits and pieces in. That's just to stop it all falling out in the wind. Can't go to the chateau today, it's not open. And yeah, that is, I need to rake up a little bit from twigs, but it's awesome. It's awesome. So much better. There's just one thing I really want to see, and that's what it looks like from over there on the driveway. Now to do that, I need to go this way. La 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 la. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I'll have to do all of this at some stage. It's looking pretty. Just needs cutting back. Oh, you can't see, I just did. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Oh, very much, yes. Right, I think I've got a before. Right, so here is the before. You can see that corner. Can you see behind? Oh, you probably can't. But I can. I can see the whole corner. I do need to do all the stuff in the wall on the other side, but it is a start. Oh, good.
I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the after.
Okay, I'm not being completely insane. I'm not trying to pick up all of the grass. It's the sticks in the back garden. As you can see, there tend to be quite a few. So I just like to run around, make it easier for the robot mowers, and it's good to get your step count in, and it doesn't cost petrol. So let's see how that does. I mean, it's the robot mowers, as you can see, is a fantastic job out here anyway. I'm just going to give it a helping hand, get some steps in, clear up, and make it even better. And then I look forward to getting this lot planted up into some of the pots. Start making the place look pretty, and inevitably I will be going back inside to do work inside shortly. It's not a gardening channel. Just trying to get ahead of myself while the spring is here, because inevitably bad weather will be here shortly and I'll be back inside. There's only so much you can get done in a day. I'm just going to potter around in the back garden, get some steps in, and clear up the twigs and all the rest of it to make life easier for the little robot mowers. And I will see you all tomorrow, or next time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.